Hello everyone! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan naman natin yung regarding sa early leave at saka sa late. Okay, so mayroon kasing isang teacher na nagtanong sa akin dahil mayroon siyang mga deduction kasi nag-early leave siya. Tapos na kasi yung student niya sa klase. Kasi medyo advanced yung student kaya yun natapos niya before class. Now, if that happens to you, as to our orientation, hindi po talaga pwedeng umalis tayo ng AC. Since the student is advanced, you have to give the student more expansion activities related to the lesson. Or kaya, you give more CCQs related to the topic. So, as to my experience po, teacher, so ang ginagawa ko, kung advanced yung student, I do really more questioning. Like for instance, the picture has a lot of, let's say, dogs, ducks, and trees. So I will let the student count and tell me how many dogs, how many ducks, how many trees are there, what are the colors. So, kailangan mo talagang humanap ng paraan para na hindi matapos agad yung material. You can let the student speak more in English. You have to let the student express more based on the pictures. You really need to have follow-up questions. Yun yung concept checking questions, yung CCQs. Okay, so that is if the student is advanced. Okay? So, ito para ito sa mga newly launched teachers kasi syempre, we cannot let the student go out of the AC kasi tapos na siya. Or kaya, ikaw, lalabas ka na ng AC kasi tapos na yung klase. Hindi yon ganon. So, magkaka-early leave ka talaga or magkaka-QA ka, magkaka-penalty and violation po kayo nun. We have to really make every minute of our lesson in AC meaningful and engaging to the student. At bawal na bawal rin po na mag-free talk tayo after the lesson or bumalik tayo sa mga pages. Kasi nga, hindi yon pwede, teacher. So you can use the extension activities right after the wrap-up, but you cannot do the free talk. Okay? Or you can have more activities. Let's say you can use your existing na mga teaching materials in which yung mga tanong mo is related pa rin sa inyong lesson. Kasi ito yung mga usually na nangyayari sa mga newly launched teachers. They don't know how to manage their time and they don't know how to approach a child who is advanced and slow learner. Now, doon naman tayo sa slow learner. So, dapat na i-budget nyo po yung time. Kung kaya po ninyo na advance kayong pumasok ng AC kasi medyo mahina si student, then of course you can. But of course, it is more advisable na talagang pag-on ng camera, doon na talaga kayo magsisimula ng klase. Okay, so you have to really budget your time accordingly kasi syempre most of our materials, especially for age 5, mayroon tayong 1 to 25 or 27 pages. Make sure na you are always looking at that time na nag-match yung page mo sa number of minutes naman na running in AC. So, yun yung ginagawa ko talaga, teachers. Adjust na lang kayo na if you are already on the 12th, 13th, or 14th page, dapat kalahati na talaga kayo sa oras rin. For the slow learners, dapat na hindi kayo masyadong magtagal in every page para talagang matapos nyo yon lahat ng mga pages. So, as you go on with your teaching to different learners of different ages naman, the more you will learn how to deal with them. And your approach, your style, your method of teaching will also improve. And then, of course, it is more advisable mag-attend kayo ng mga webinars, learn from the experts, learn from our senior teachers, and then you have to finish the learning hub para naman na mas maraming insights, mas maraming knowledge, mas maraming paraan na alam mo how to deal with the different kinds of learners. So, I hope this video helps you. So, dapat talaga we have to adjust with our learners, slow, moderate, and fast or advanced learners. And then we always need to balance and budget our time on AC. That's all for today. Thank you so much. And if you want me to be your guide for your application, just message me here in TikTok and Facebook or in Messenger, or comment down below how so I can message you, or you can immediately click on my link below so that I can email you right after you click my referral link. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.